Gold in the Commonwealth Youth Games, it's not quite the same thing. But what a talent he is. This for a new personal best. And for 6 successful lifts out of 6. He's got it! Oh, steady, steady. Oh, will he be given it? Will he be given it? He waits to see. No, it's a no lift. It was so close, but in the end he didn't quite have it under control, but he's enjoyed himself and he has acquitted himself quite wonderfully in his first Commonwealth Games. And a shake of the hand too for Peter Kirkbride, 18 years old from Kilmarnock in Ayrshire, the youngest lifter ever to represent Scotland in the Commonwealth Games, and a huge talent for the future. But he just couldn't quite steady it, he couldn't quite keep that bar under control. It was a no lift, there's no argument about that, but it's the only no lift he's had in 6 lifts. Desperately trying to steady. So not quite the personal best, but still a games to him. Trailed Bachaya by 1 kilo after the snatch. Bachaya still to attempt the 180. Came in at 171, which he has got. So Malik to go first. This will put him into the lead. Again, that long pause in the squat position. And up he comes, bar a little bit lopsided, but he straightens it well. And another terrific lift from the Pakistani. And that puts him into the lead. So Dwayne Anthony to go to 5th. No, it isn't there for him, unfortunately. Good contest though for the South African. Total of 310. Peter Kirkbride finishing 6th in his first Commonwealth Games. That's a really good effort indeed. 6th out of the 9. This is Rai of India. 185. No, a failure at 185 for Rai, so he stepped up 9 kilos from. But it's his final lift. So he clearly hopes that if he gets this one and the others fail at 186, offering up a little prayer perhaps. Bryce Bachaya, just 20 years old from Cameroon. This could be the gold medal lift. But we'll probably see that a few times in the next couple of minutes, but oh my goodness, that was a shocking attempt. Up here of Bachaya. All the jockeying for position is over. It's now down to the lifters. And once again, a potential gold medal lift. Success at 176, but a failure at 185 last time for Rai. Another kilo in the bar. Can he make this 186? He's currently lying 4th, but this will take him into the lead. Again, he wastes very little time. Straight into the clean, and it's good. But the jerk isn't there for him. He falls to his knees in despair. So the Indian Satisha Rai, the 34-year-old, in his 4th Games, will stay in 4th place. What a disappointment. India still looking for its first men's gold. The clean looked so comfortable, but he just didn't have it for the jerk. Looked so confident, but no medal, I'm afraid. And it is to be Malik of Pakistan. Lifted 180. Now he goes for 187. It's only his 2nd attempt, so he'll have one more after this, but if he gets this, he'll go into the lead. this for the gold. Fighting it and beating it. That should be gold for Pakistan. They certainly think so. Malik absolutely delighted. 187. So Malik goes first. Riboem will have to ask for more weight. 187. Malik knows how much that means. Teammate Bryce Bachaya, but deciding not to take on that huge total of Malik. So Malik does have gold. That's now confirmed. Riboem has this for the silver. Oh, sunk very low on the clean, but recovered well. No. The right knee buckled as he attempted the jerk. What a great competition this has been, though. Sadly, it's a no lift right at the end for Samplis Riboem, and it will be Bryce Bachaya that takes the silver medal. Malik, of course, does have one lift left, but he's already got the gold medal. Going for 189. So, terrific drama once again. The last lift of the competition. And Malik of Pakistan, the 32-year-old, attempting 193 kilos, 425 pounds, over 30 stones on the bar. And this for a new games record for clean and jerk. He's got the clean, and listen for the roar if he can manage this new games record. He's fighting it, the crowd are helping him, the crowd are roaring him on, and he's got it! What a way to finish a terrific competition. Malik of Pakistan has the gold and has a new Commonwealth Games record. What a way to finish. Great contest, 4 men going for 3 medals. In the end, this man was the strongest. Shujauddin Malik of Pakistan gives Pakistan their first weightlifting gold of these games, and he does it with a games record. 193 kilos, a total weight of 343. Fantastic lifting from the Pakistani.